everyone! Hope you guys are all well. Today we're going to do a slime challenge.
So here we have two challengers. Number 1, Rivesha Nasser.
And number 2, Zain Afrikaan. So let's get started. Go. So we have got all the ingredients we need to make a slime. So the color of my slime will be yellow.
And the color of my slime is green. Dark green.
So let's get started. First of all, you need your glue. And
Here's my bowl.
And pour it into your bowl as much quantity as you want. I've poured this much of quantity because I wanted to make a big slime. Now we're gonna put our glues away because we don't need them. Step number 2. We need our activator, or before using our activator, we can even put the glitter in our glue. Let's pour the glitter. You can even put the glitter when you make your slime and your slime is ready, but we like putting our glitter when we are starting our slime. Step number 3. Step number 3. You need to take your spoon and mix the glue. So the glue looks as pretty as it should.
Step number 4. Now we need to add activator.
We're gonna put our spoons away.
Okay.
This is our activator. Remember, we need to put our activator a very little bit, or else it will make our slime non-stretchy and it will make our slime sticky and not good. So let's pour our activator. Here guys, I've poured my activator as much as I wanted. Step number 5. We need to take our popsicle sticks and now we need to mix this glue plus activator with these popsicles. Let's mix it up. Guys, this is our slime looks like. We need to mix it for 4 to 5 minutes and then we will show you how does it looks. So guys, here is our slime ready. It looks so perfect. It's so stretchable. It's a very bright color and especially with the glitter, it looks even beautiful. So guys, as our slime is ready, let's repeat the tips. Step number 1, add some glue into your bowl.
Step number 2, add some glitter in it.
Step number 3, mix it all together.
Step number 4, add activator.
Step number 5, mix the solution of glue and activator. And there your slime will be ready. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell icon below and comment down below.